Here we are, got up this morning. On our cages we run an electric fence, and I've just noticed this morning after feeding the birds that the fence has drooped. So I had a bit of a storm last night, so obviously the fence is broken. I don't know, I've just spent half an hour on YouTube trying to find out how to fix an electric fence, and yeah, anyway, I've going to go up and have a look, and without replacing all the wire, I'm going to see if we can do a joint in the fence, just something simple to get it working again. Okay, so I'm just going to show you down here what I did. I actually found the break up on top of the cage. The wire had snapped in half. So just as a temporary fix, what I've decided to do is I found a little bit of 6mm copper, and I've just cut a piece probably about 15mm long, and I'm going to slide that over there. And all I basically did was now I don't know if this is right or wrong, but anyway, best thing I could come up with at the time. I've just twisted those wires together as tight as I can get them, and I've just slid the little copper sleeve over the roughly about the middle, and just a pair of pliers, I've just crimped them on. Squashed them right down, guessing that the copper's going to act as some sort of conductor. Flattened him out. That's tight as. That's all I basically did.